Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Let's start. Describe unusual holiday you had. You should say what holiday was it? Who were you with? What did you do? Explain why it was unusual. Introduction. Begin with an engaging introduction. Use the descriptive language to capture the reader attention. Vocabulary. You can use the words like unusual, distinct, twist, memorable, and extraordinary. For example, extraordinary holiday, attached. Vividly in my memory was an offbeat journey to the historic city of the Jaipur, breaking the conventional norm of the typical vacation. What holiday was it? Provide the detail about specific holiday. Clearly state the holiday, emphasizes its uniqueness. Vocabulary. You may use the word like eco-friendly, green Diwali, or distinctive. For example, the unique holiday was a culture exploration of the Jaipur, known as Pink City, renowned for its rich history, vibrant architecture, and distinct tradition. Who were you with? Share the information about the people you were with. Language. Describe the company you had using the expressive language. Vocabulary. Include the words like accompanied, close friends, family members. Integrate. For example, joined by a close friend who shared a mutual interest in history and culture. The holiday involved into impressive experience filled with the exploration, learning, and camaraderie. What did you do? Describe the activity and events during the holiday. Language, narrative activities using vivid language. Vocabulary. Use the word like organic, fish, tree planting, crafting, decoration, and recycle the materials. For example, rather than optioning for the mainstream tourist spot, we develop into the lesser known valley, visited local markets, interacted with the artisans, and attended the cultural events, immersing ourselves in the city, ethnic charm. Explain why it was unusual. Elaborate on what made the holiday stand out. Language clearly what made the holiday stand out. Vocabulary words unusual, unconsciously differently, environment friendly. For example, this holiday stood out for its departure from the conventional sightseeing checklist. It stressed a deeper understanding of the local culture, foreign connections with the resident, and embracing the city unique atmosphere. Conclusion. Summarizing the key point and express the last impact of the usual holiday. Now, I give you an example of the one sample answer of this question. Describe an unusual holiday. Let's start. Festival of the Light was distinguished. Twisty transform our festival into Green Diwali. When first question, what the holiday was it? Your cue card like this. This was no ordinary Diwali, it was a green Diwali. Instead of the customary burst of the firework, our celebration diverted from the tradition as we engage in the eco-conscious festivities, reflecting a conscious effort to align of our joyous movement with the environment sustainability. Who were you with? In the company of the dearest friend and Beloved family members, the joy of the celebrating together took the precedence our conventional revelry, accompanied by the warmth of the close friend and laughter of the family member. Atmosphere was not only the festive but unique heartwarming. Now your bold second question on your cue card. What did you do? Our celebration involved more than just exchange of the sweets and lighting of the divas. They encompassed organic feast, tree planting, crafting, decoration from recycled materials. Decision to make eco-friendly choice become collective efforts, transforming our green Diwali into shared commitment of the environmental responsibility. Now your next question in your cue card. Explain why it was unusual. It is a very important question because it is a word of your describe the unusual holiday. Now the answer. How can you continue your cue card? The conscious decision to break the conventional norm made the Diwali expectational. Our choice to priority eco-friendly practice over the traditional extravagance was deviation from the norms and statement about our responsibility toward the planet. It was a conscious effort to be conscientiously different that made this holiday stand out. Now your last conclusion. In the retrospect, the typically Diwali celebration left an indelible mark on my memory. It was not a just festival but a reflection of our value in facing the joys occasion can coupled with the environmental mindfulness. The lasting memory of our green Diwali continues to inspire me, reminding me of the importance of the conscience choice even in moment of the celebration. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.